How to fix Snapchat login error on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'll simply show you the way as to how you can fix the login error on Snapchat on your iPhone. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first of all, if I just go ahead and let's say I launch my Snapchat app, I'm logged out of my account, I'm not being able to log in. One of the primary reasons this could happen is due to incorrect credentials. And if your details are incorrect, you just have to tap on the forgot password option or anything in order to try to reset your password. Now that is basically a long tutorial, and to reset your password you can watch our other video. In this video I'll just show you some of the other general fixes, but as I said, it could be the credentials issue, so you want to be aware that it's not the incorrect login details. After that, what you can do is if you're trying to log into Snapchat from your Wi-Fi, try to switch your cellular data. This happens because sometimes whenever Snapchat bans your IP address from logging into the Snapchat's web addresses, when switching a network could also change the IP address and help you gain access back into your accounts. In most of the cases that would usually work, and in other times you could also wait usually up to 24 hours in order to fix the issue. If that doesn't help, then what you can do is it could be a Snapchat bug most likely. So we will open up settings and we will just go to iPhone storage over here. But first go to general and select iPhone storage. Here you'll be able to see a list of all these apps, and over here you want to select the application called Snapchat and try to offload the app first. Now don't worry, your data is not going to delete it. Basically, if you've downloaded some filters, your documents and data, they're not going to be deleted. The only thing that's going to be deleted is the application, and next time when you want to use the app, you can just reinstall the app and all of your data is going to remain there. If this doesn't help, last but not the least, the only thing I can suggest you is to open up your respective app store. And once you open up your app store, and in the search box you just want to type in Snapchat. So as you type in Snapchat, check whether or not the Snapchat app has an update available. If it does, then I want you to go ahead and update the app to the latest version, and hopefully one of these would have helped solve your problem. And if it did help solve your problem, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.